Welcome to SheBoldStock.TV, where I will share with you creative ways that you can grow your business online fearlessly. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to attract your ideal audience with emotional branding. So if you're looking for a creative way of connecting with your audience a little bit more, well, you will not want to miss this video. So in order to build trust with your community, emotion has to be a part of it. Research shows that people are more likely to buy from a brand if they have some type of emotional connection with it. So I'm going to give you 3 quick tips on how you can bring in emotional branding into your business. So the first one is going to be leading with visuals. So in everything that you do, I want you to think about your ideal audience and how do you want them to feel. The best way to reel people in is when you are catering to their emotional side. But you may be thinking, how in the heck do I appeal to the emotional side of a person? Most of the time, it's all in the visuals. This is what people see when they look at your website, what they look at your social media, what they look at your products. They are looking at the visuals of your business. So once you have a good and solid foundation, your visuals is what's going to be the icing on the cake. Your visuals is going to make people stop and stare. It's going to make them want to listen to what you have to say. Plus, more people are inclined to remember a brand based on their visuals. So I want you to look into your brand story. Create a story around your brand. Remember why you started your business. What put that fire into your spirit? What did you want to accomplish with building your business? And what held you back when it came to your business? Then turn that question over to your ideal audience. How do you want them to feel when they look at your business? How do you want them to feel when they see your business or hear about your business? I encourage you, after this video, pick 3 to 5 words that can actually be your brand emotion. By knowing this, you will be able to build the rest of your brand. From your copy on your website and social media, to your colors, your pictures, as well as even your fonts. Think of your brand as a person. Create him or her in a way that your ideal people will be attracted to, will want to be friends with, who will want to eventually buy from. I encourage you, if you want to add a little bit more creativity into your brand, come up with 3 to 5 emotional words to describe your brand that will attract your ideal people. Then hop on over to the blog where I talk about choosing your brand colors as well as figuring out a color scheme and a color palette based around emotional branding. If this helped you in any way, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Even give me a little comment in the comments below, as well as sharing this video with a businesswoman that needs to hear it. Alright, I will see you all in the next video. Peace.